This second tutorial of the Nursing 444 Professional Exploration Paper tutorials will cover what we have available on the Nursing Research Guide. So as you see on the guide, there are tabs along the left side that give you navigation points to various information resources that we have through the library. There are a few databases that are pulled out on the front page, including CINAHL, which is the Cumulative Index to Nursing and Allied Health, and the one you'll be using for your paper. There's links to the Chat with a Librarian service, which gives you access to a librarian 24/7 through a chat feature. The information for the Research Help Desk is here. You can contact a research librarian during the hours that they're available in the library, or the subject liaison, Kim O'Neill, during her office hours. If you look up at the left side, you'll see tabs to various areas, as mentioned, one of those being books. Lumen is the library catalog that gives you access to information resources in the Regis library, both ebook resources and print information. Access to the Merck manual via the consumer or professional versions is available here, as well as some other online healthcare book collections, like the DSM-5. So take some time to explore this when you get a chance. Books are a great resource for background information. Drug References provides access to databases like Micromedics and Lexicomp, which give you identification information for drugs, drug interaction information, and dosage. There's also a mobile app for Micromedics that you can download to your Android or iPhone. Evidence-based practice resources are all available through this tab here, which gives you access to the databases that are specific for evidence-based practice literature searching. More tutorials are available through the Library Research Tutorials tab, so tutorials that are specific to databases like Medline and CINAHL, new nursing orientation tutorials, database-specific tutorials like Cochrane, which you might need later in your education. One important tab that you'll use is APA Citation Information. So the information for the School of Nursing, there's specific handouts and tutorial guides to creating your title pages, setting up your headers. Specific LHSON APA tutorials are available here on this page. So take some time when you get a chance to review many of these different sections of the Nursing Research Guide. Lastly, articles is where you'll spend most of your time searching for literature through these databases. As I already mentioned, CINAHL is the one for the nursing and allied health, where you'll be researching probably the most, but there's many other databases that as you get comfortable with searching, you may choose to use. So make yourself familiar with these. Along the right side of the page, you'll notice that there's some guidelines and some handouts that you can use to guide you in your searching further. Search tips that apply to many of the databases, how to evaluate resources once you've found articles, some guidelines here, and some other tutorials that are made available for you. In the next tutorial for this series, we'll be talking specifically about CINAHL and how to search and limit in the CINAHL database for your professional exploration paper.